Hello guys, how are you? Okay, so now I'm making this tutorial. This is the next tutorial. The first one was on this text right here on page, what page is it? 83. And now I'm going to make another tutorial on the reading on page 84 of the student book, okay? On the student book. So the first exercise was about these places right here that you had to guess where in what countries they are, okay? What countries they are in. But then you have another exercise right here. It's a question exercise, so you have to answer these questions right here according to what you read right here. And the text, the unit, the lesson is 11A, is called First Impressions. And then within the lesson we have this reading that is called Travel Blogs. Okay, I'm going to read two blogs, let's say. One is about Moira on the 16th of September, and on the 14th of December we have Mark. Okay, so I'm going to read about them. Okay, and here you have to put the name of the place that they are from or they live, right? Moira, for example, could be from Atlanta, Malmo, or Valencia. So according to what you read in the text, you will have to guess where she's from. Okay, I'm going to start. Let's start. The 16th of September, or September the 16th. Moira in bling bling bling. The driving. I think people drive quite dangerously, which surprised me because I thought they were careful drivers here. Wait, I'm going to be right here. They don't drive fast, but people are always on the phone in the car, which you don't often see in the UK nowadays. The food. Oh, let's see what place she's talking about. So we know she's from the UK, but let's see which of the three places she is talking about. That's what you have to pay attention. Let's see right here. Read, this is the task. Read two blogs on a UK travel website. So it's these two blogs are on a UK travel website about people's first impressions of two of these cities. So two of the cities they are describing right here. Which two are they? So we have to see which of these three cities they are describing. Mark and Moira. Okay, sorry. I'll continue with Moira. The food. So that was about driving. Now, the food. The food can be delicious, but I think people eat very unhealthily. In restaurants, they often add salt to their food. And they drink liters of Coke. The headquarters of the Coca-Cola company is based here, and they even have a Coca-Cola museum. Once I went to a coffee shop and asked for a double espresso. No milk, no sugar. I had to repeat my order 3 times because the waitress couldn't understand me. She said people here only ask for lattes and cappuccinos with lots of sugar. Now, the people. In general, people are very friendly. The people I'm staying with, who live just outside the city, know all the neighbors really well. They often don't lock their doors, which surprised me because people say it's a dangerous city. They speak incredibly slowly, with a strong accent, and sometimes I have a problem understanding them. Mark in, we don't know which of the 3 cities. and the blog was written on the 14th of December. So Mark is going to talk about the weather. It's December and it gets dark at about 3 p.m., which is depressing. There's a lot of snow at the moment, but all the buses and trains are running perfectly. Not like in Britain, where everything stops when it snows. The houses. All the houses are painted in pretty colors like red, green and blue. And many houses have a yellow and black and blue flag. Inside the houses are decorated beautifully. Inside, the houses are decorated beautifully with lots of flowers and modern wooden furniture. The people. People are friendly and polite, but quite formal. They dress fashionably, but casually. And of course, you see a lot of very blonde women here. You also see a lot of men who are looking after very young babies. Everybody speaks English really well. Maybe because a lot of the TV is in English with subtitles. Okay, so these are the two texts that you have to learn, that you have to, you have to practice the pronunciation of these texts. And for next class, because I'm going to make you read them, okay? So that's it. Remember, the texts are on page 84, student book. Practice them, and I'll see you next class. Do your homework, okay? See you, bye.